Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure family pooling rewards with Bilt, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Bilt app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create an account if you haven't already. Log in to your Bilt account using your credentials. Navigate to the rewards section of the app. Look for the family pooling option within the rewards menu. Tap on family pooling to begin the setup process. Select the option to create a new family pool. You will be prompted to invite family members to join your pool. Enter the email addresses of the family members you wish to invite. Make sure to send the invites so they can accept and join. Once your family members accept the invites, they will be added to your pool. Each member can link their Bilt accounts to the family pool. This allows collective points accumulation toward rewards. Confirm that all family members have linked their accounts successfully. Keep an eye on your pool points as they accumulate. You can view the total points earned by your family pool in the app. Periodically check the rewards catalog for available redemption options. Decide as a group how you would like to use the accumulated points. Follow the prompts to redeem rewards when you're ready. That covers the essential steps for configuring family pooling rewards with Bilt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.